Hi, it's Bill with the Home Premier team here to review the November market update for the Lehigh Valley. Thankfully, we've been experiencing a bit of an uptick in the economy, and that's reflecting in the real estate market. November 2021 brought us a 7.3% jump in the average sale price from $277,523 to $297,667. The number of pending sales and closed sales played a bit of a back and forth, with pending sales increasing and closed sales decreasing. In November 2020, there were 689 pending sales, which increased 5.2% this year, landing them at 725. The number of closed sales last year was 849 homes, which dropped 14.8% to 723 this year. November's new listings dropped 3.9% from 712 homes in 2020 to 684 in 2021. Following the downward trend was the month supply of inventory, which dropped 38.5% from 1.3 months to 0.8. The inventory of homes available also took a steep drop of 33.9% from 934 homes to 617. Lastly, the days on market took another steep drop. In November 2020, there was an average of 21 days on the market, and this year it was only 18 days, which is a 14.3% decrease. Do you think heading into the holiday season and the new year there will be any effects on the real estate market? Let us know in the comments and tune in next time for the December 2021 market update.